Hello, third grade. Happy Monday. Today for science, we're going to be going over identifying properties of an object. So objects have properties that can be observed and described. The physical properties can include size, shape, and texture of something. So what we're going to be doing for science today is there's going to be a picture pop up on the screen, and you have to decide what properties are of that object. So you have to decide, is it going to be fuzzy? Is it going to be soft? And you have to tell just by observing it what property it has. So some will be self-explanatory, some are going to be a little difficult, so we're going to go over what they mean. So when we see this, we think of fuzzy. It looks something soft that you can hold in your hand that isn't going to hurt you. And then we'll start with the easier ones, and then we'll move on to the difficult ones. So then we see honey. So if you see honey, it's very sticky. It can get stuck on your hand. It's going to take warm water to rinse off. That's something that can get on your fingers, and you're going to have to wipe them off. It doesn't just fall off. So that's sticky. When we see tree bark, that's kind of rough. And rough kind of means that if you were to put your hand on a tree and swipe your hand down, you're going to get something poked at you. It's not going to feel smooth. It could hurt. So then we see shiny. It looks like bright. There's light bouncing off of it. It's shiny. Could blind you. Not literally blind you, but it just could be shiny in your eyes. And then we see a trampoline. That could be flexible because you can jump on a trampoline, right? It can, when you bounce and you go down, it can stretch and flexible, and then when you jump up, it goes back together. So a trampoline is flexible. So now we're going to talk about transparent, translucent, and opaque. Sorry, I said that wrong. This is opaque, transparent, and translucent. So transparent means that you can see clearly through the object. So it's allowing light to pass through so you can see objects behind it and you can see them very well. Opaque means no light can pass through. So if you did a flashlight, you can't see through the object. So like an apple, you can't see through an apple and see what's behind it if it's in front of your face. But for transparent, a piece of glass, you can see right through it and you can see the other object clearly behind it. And for translucent, it allows light to go through it, but you can't see detailed shapes to pass through. So when you're looking at a stained glass window, you can see the light coming in, but you can't see that well through the other side. So those are going to be the three tricky ones that are going to be new. So just remember, transparent, it's like glass. You can see perfectly through it. So like a window. When you're looking at a window, you can see the objects on the other side very clearly. Opaque means you can't see through it. So it's like if I put my notebook in front of me, I can't see the screen when I put my notebook in front of me. Light cannot pass through this. And then translucent means light can pass through, but you're not going to be able to look at the other side and see clearly detailed things. And it's not going to look the same. All right, so we are just going to be going through objects. Some of these you might see on your homework, and then you're just going to be deciding the property of that object. So again, some ones that you're going to see are sticky, rough, shiny, flexible, fuzzy, and then you're going to see these three as well. All right, thank you and have a great rest of your day. Have fun with science, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.